Hi, so this week I'd like to talk to you about colons and semicolons. Firstly though, thank you for the effort that you are putting in to this work. I really do appreciate that it's a lot of extra time that you're giving, a lot of extra time that your friends might not be giving, but hopefully this is what's going to really make the difference for you in your exam. So colons and semicolons, they really do play a sizable role in how the examiner sees you and whether or not the examiner sees you as a skilled writer. Unfortunately, I don't think that you are using enough colons and semicolons in your work. I feel that you should look to use a colon and a semicolon in every paragraph that you create in order to show a consistent presence of these two pieces of punctuation. Just in case you need a reminder then. So yes, you can use a colon in a list, but what I'm interested in is the other more efficient way of using a colon. And that's when you want to say that the next sentence after the colon is really important. So remember, you can use a colon instead of a full stop. And effectively what you are saying, if you are using a colon instead of a full stop, is the next sentence is really important and dramatic. Now a semicolon, you can essentially use a semicolon when you are replacing an and. But what's really important is that you can't just replace an and, any and in a sentence. What you need to make sure you do is you need to make sure that you can see that the sentence before the and could make sense by itself, and the sentence after the and would make sense by itself. So therefore you can use a semicolon to replace an and when you've got the clause before the semicolon, which would make sense by itself as a sentence, and the clause after, and it would make sense by itself as a sentence. So I hope that's made things clearer. So that's a colon and a semicolon, one in each paragraph for me, please. Thank you.